Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, honey, I mean, going from one platform to the next. Okay, so right now we are about to have lunch. I got a partner with me for day 2. Okay, this is what I made in my blender. Honey, I got a Walmart blender, okay, and that will do. Okay, so it's supposed to be like ice cream, right? And this is made out of berries, bananas, strawberries. Okay, and then I put the bananas at the top. Who said that you gotta, okay, Ember. Who said that you gotta go to those stores and get the ice cream or get the Buddha bowl, the Buddha bowl from there when you can do it yourself. Okay, now at the top it is like ice cream. All right, so honey, Ember is here, so I gotta hurry up and just eat with her. Okay. So I put some sliced almonds that I had got from Whole Foods yesterday on here. All right, Ember. All right. Okay, Ember. I made Ember a smoothie. I made Ember a smoothie. Okay. So I made Ember a smoothie today, but she don't have her bottle, so I couldn't put the. Okay, you like that? We're gonna add some coconut. Now, the coconut, honey, I gotta be quick, okay, with Ember, okay? The coconut, this coconut, it is unsweetened and it is fine shredded, okay? And it's also dehydrated. So if you go in raw or whatever it is like that, you could use this because it's dehydrated, meaning that, they just left it out. They just left the coconut out, okay? All right. All right. So if you have a Walmart blender, honey, I've been impressed. When I tell you I've been doing research. All right. Okay, Ember. I've been doing research last night. Is this lady named this girl I don't know if her name Brittany, but she's raw, and she did, honey, that mm, 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 mm. I've been doing that research last night, looking on YouTube, like trying to come up with different concoctions, right? And it's been amazing. Okay, I didn't know it was as many people raw vegan as there are. Okay, I mean, if you're a professor, you figure it out what I'm trying to say. I gotta make sure that you doing what you need to do on your end. Okay? All right? Okay? All right. All right, family. So I'm about to go. All right. It's like you don't even want me to have none. It's like she don't even want me to eat none. Yeah, but I gotta eat some of this too. I guess she said this is for last night. So if you have get your feet down. If you have a like a Walmart blender, right? Like a Hamilton, I think. What you can do is what I did to get the ice cream thing is turning soft now, but what I did was okay. Wait. Let me see. I don't know. Let me see. What I did was I had blended it on ice. Okay, so if you blend it on ice, you'll be able to get like the ice cream, consistency. Okay, Ember. All right, family. I definitely gotta go. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace. Say bye, Ember. Say bye. Look. Ember, like she don't know you guys. Yeah. Huh? That's what you saying? Hmm? All right. Yeah, I know. I'm telling them that you said you don't know them. That's why you're not saying bye. You want to say bye? Hmm? Okay. All right, Ember. I guess when she see me pick the spoon up, she think that I'm finna eat it. So she start doing all this stuff with her legs, like as if to say, like as if she finna show out. I'm saying good things about you, Ember. Good things. Okay. Wait, I don't know about that piece. All right, Ember. Wait, because I don't. All right. You can't. You all right? But you can't have the nuts. Hey, you gonna chew the nuts? And you got those 4 teeth. I don't. No, just take that. Just take that piece. You want more? You like it? I guess so. I guess you do. Yeah, I know. I know. This when I guess is good when you gotta put the foot when you put the foot on the table. Okay, let me get situated with Ember. I'll catch you guys on the next one. What you doing? Mm-mm. Come on now. Stop. Let me get situated with Ember.